Hello everyone. I would like to extend a warm welcome to you all to our container deployment video series. In this video, I will be demonstrating the step-by-step procedure to deploy the Bold BI multi-container Docker image using Docker Compose. Let's move forward with the deployment steps. To get things started, I open the Windows terminal and verify the installation of Docker Desktop using the command docker. If not, I will install Docker Desktop to proceed with the deployment. Create a new folder for Bold BI application using mkdir filenamed command, then navigate into this folder using cd foldernamed command. Next, create and open a Docker Compose YAML file with the command notepad dockercompose.yaml. Find the code for this file in the GitHub location mentioned in this video's description. Copy it and paste it in the file, then save it using Ctrl+S keys. Use the command mkdir folder name to establish a common folder on the host machine for both the application data and database configuration data. Create and open the server configuration file named default.conf and get the code from the GitHub link provided. Paste the code in the configuration file and save it. Edit the Docker Compose file via notepad filenamed command. Specify your app base URL as the DNS or IP address where your application will be hosted, under Services in the Environment section. In the Reverse Proxy section, update the location of your server configuration file in volumes. Provide the directory for application data in the host machine in device under Bold Services Data section. Add the directory for database data in the host machine in device under DB Data section. Now, save the file and run the command docker compose upd to apply the Docker Compose configuration in the Bold BI application. You should now be able to open the deployed application URL in your browser. With that, we have reached the end of the video. In conclusion, we've learned how to deploy a Bold BI multi-container Docker image with Docker Compose in this video. Stay tuned for the next video on how to deploy a Bold BI single container Docker image with Docker Swarm. Thank you for watching.